Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then next topic of discussion is power cable or simply cable, or sometime it is known as a underground cable. That means the conductor which is used for our overhead transmission line, that commonly known as a conductor, that commonly known as a conductor. And the if we put some insulation around the conductors, if we see here, this will be a conducting material. On this conducting material, if we put some insulation, and that conductor is converted into cable. That means cable have a insulation on surface of a conductor, and these are used for underground transmission of power, either for power transmission or either for generation, but typically they are used for power distribution, not transmission, because transmission is generally carried out overhead transmission line. For example, a city where the population is very huge or population density is more, और फिजिकल स्पेस आपके पास ओवरहेड लाइन के लिए अगर अवेलेबल नहीं है, देन वी यूज अंडरग्राउंड सिस्टम फॉर पावर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, देन वी यूज अंडरग्राउंड सिस्टम फॉर पावर ट्रांसमिशन. Then what are the different type of cable, what are their constructional feature, and what are the parts of what are the function of each part of this cable, that will be discussed on this topic. The first, if we see that, since load having the trends toward growing density, and this require the better appearance, rigorous construction, greater service availability, and increase the safety. As I earlier discussed, due to this more population or the high density of people in any area, we required another type of power distribution system, which is known as underground distribution system. And or sometime we need better appearance, rigorous construction, greater service reliability, and increase the safety. Taking this point in consideration, we go to the underground transmission, underground distribution system. For that underground distribution system, the main design or main selection is this point, that is our underground cable. That means this an underground cable consists of one or more conductor covered with suitable insulation. As I earlier told, cable is nothing. When a conductor is insulated by some insulating material, it will be converted into cable and some protecting cover. The interference from external disturbance like storm, lightning, ice, trees, etc. should be reduced by achieving the another trouble-free service. That means in underground system there will be no effect of ice, no effect of falling of trees, no effect of lightning, no effect of storm, because this system is below the earth line, or we can say that it is below our level of ground. This cable may be buried directly into the ground. That means you can put this cable in directly in the ground, or maybe installed duct built in the ground. That means what are the different laying method of cable, we will discuss in some slides. Then if we see, this will be the typical construction feature of our cable. This is typical constructional feature of cable. First part of cable is a conductor. If we see here, we put three conductor, one, two, three. Then these three conductor are insulated by a insulation. We can use paper insulation, PVC insulation, or other type of insulation that will be discussed on later on stages. But first part is our conductor. जो कंडक्टर है, कंडक्टर के बाहर जो का जो पार्ट होगा, that is our insulation. What type of insulation, that is the next point of discussion. After that we have a lead sheet. That means इसके बाद एक और प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर हम डालेंगे जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, lead sheet. After lead sheet, third, fourth is our bedding. This is basically our steel type bedding. Then you have armoring. Then we have serving. That is the last point which we see. This is the last point which we see, 4, 5, and 6. Then what are the function of these each layer, that will be discussed one by one. That will be discussed one by one. जो आपके 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन है उसमें बहुत बारी चांसेस रहता है, what is the function of lead sheet, what is the function of insulation, what is the function of bedding, what is the function of rooming, what is the function of serving. तो आपके माइंड में बिल्कुल क्लियर कट, क्रिस्टल क्लियर पिक्चर होनी चाहिए कि हम एक कंडक्टर के ऊपर इतनी सारी लेयरें किस पर्पज के लिए इंसुलेट करते हैं. Then this will be the detailed structure of our conductor, it is only one conductor material. Then again 3 layer of insulation. Then this is jute type of our that means this jute is used for lead sheet. Then jute type. Then there are lead wires. That means these lead wires are used for bedding. After that you go to jute serving, or we can say that it is a roaming. Then it is a serving. So it is again detailed construction feature of our cable. Then what are the advantage of using our using the cable for distribution? मेन एडवांटेज इज बेटर जनरल अपेयरेंस. अगर आप ध्यान से देखिए तो जो ओवरहेड लाइन होती है वो क्या हमारे पास कहीं लाइन लगी हुई है, कहीं पोल है उसका, कहीं आर्म्स है, तो देखने के लिए उतनी अच्छी नहीं लगेगी. दैट मीन्स दिस अंडरग्राउंड सिस्टम हैड ए बेटर अपेयरेंस, less liable to the damage through the storm and lightning because it is on underground space. Low maintenance cost, less chances to fault, some voltage drop. That means voltage drop is also less as compared to overhead line. But main disadvantage or drawback is that it has greater installation cost. That means underground system has a greater installation cost and introduced insulation problem at high voltage as compared equivalent over voltage. That means when we compare on the level voltage, for example, we want to transmit power 132 kV in overhead system or 132 kV underground system. The main disadvantage that it is a high voltage, we need high insulation. In overhead, we can provide this insulation by providing a appropriate distance between two conductor because these are live conductor. But in underground, we need a more insulating material or more thickness of each layer of insulation in case of insulator, in case of cable. That will increase the cost of cable as well as installation cost. That means how to lay down that cable in underground system, that will be enhanced. These are the main two drawback and main reason that due to this reason this underground system is specifically used in the high population area or high profile area instead of a general distribution. That means in rural area or semi rural area we adopt the overhead distribution system. Then if we go construction, then we start from first part. Our first part is a conductor. Our first part is a conductor. It may be one conductor, two conductor, three conductor, four conductor. That will be discussed on later on stated. Simply, if we have a one conductor, it is called one core cable. If we have a two conductor, we call two core cable. If we have a three conductor, it is called three core cable. If we have a four conductor, we call four core cable. तो इतने ही टाइप की हमारे पास केबल मिलती है. वन कोर दैट मीन्स ओनली फेस उसमें से जाएगा, न्यूट्रल किसी और में से जाएगा. तो वन कोर केबल तो हम बहुत कम यूज करते हैं. देन टू कोर कवर, अगर सिंगल फेस सिस्टम में एक से फेस जाएगा, एक से न्यूट्रल. थ्री फेस केबल दैट मीन थ्री फेस ओनली, RYB. फोर कोर केबल मीन्स दे हैव ए इनबिल्ट न्यूट्रल. कोर मीन्स इफ दैट डिपेंड अपॉन नंबर ऑफ दिस कंडक्टर. तो व्हाट इज दिस टाइप ऑफ कंडक्टर जो हमें पिक्चर में दिख रहा है, किस टाइप, सॉरी कंडक्टर नहीं, किस टाइप का केबल है? इट इज सिंगल कोर, डबल कोर, थ्री कोर और फोर कोर?
3 core, sir.
थ्री कोर सर.
इट इज थ्री कोर. डायरेक्टली जितने आपको नंबर ऑफ कंडक्टर दिखेंगे उसको आप क्या बोलेंगे? फोर कोर. उसको हम कैसे डिनोट करेंगे? दैट विल बी डिनोटेड बाय नंबर ऑफ कोर. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? देन फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज कोर और कंडक्टर. दैट मीन्स कोर किसको बोलेंगे? जितने यहाँ पे कंडक्टर लगे होंगे उसी को ही कोर बोलेंगे, उसी को ही कंडक्टर बोलेंगे. तो डोंट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन दीज टू पॉइंट. A cable may be have one or more than one core depending upon the type of service for which it is installed. That means for if it is for single phase two wire system, so we use two core cable. For example, it is used for small distance transmission, so we use three core. It is used for distribution, then we use फोर कोर. तो डिपेंड अपॉन द सर्विस कि आप किस टाइप की सर्विस देना चाहेंगे, उस हिसाब से नंबर ऑफ कोर प्रोवाइड कीजिएगा. द कंडक्टर कुड बी एल्यूमिनियम और कॉपर. दैट मीन्स जो इसके लिए हम कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल यूज करेंगे दैट मीन्स बी आइदर ऑफ कॉपर और आइदर इज एल्यूमिनियम. इन दो में से ही कोई एक मटेरियल होगा. एंड इज स्ट्रैंड. स्ट्रैंड क्या है कि एक सिंगल कंडक्टर नहीं होगा. इट हैज ए थिन वायर्स. इट हैज ए थिन वायर. सी हियर फर्स्ट पेज, अगर आप यहाँ देखिए तो एक स्ट्रैंड कंडक्टर नहीं है, थिन थिन वायर होकर हमारे पास बने हुए. इट हैज ए थिन वायर. Then in order to provide the flexibility, why we provide the thin wire, number of thin wire, so that this केबल विल बी फ्लेक्सिबल, कहीं भी आप इसको मोड़ सकते हैं, टिल्ट कर सकते हैं। अदरवाइज एक स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर होगा तो उसको टिल्ट करना और मोड़ना क्या है, डिफिकल्ट है। दैट मीन उसकी जो लेइंग डाउन प्रोसेस है वो करना हमारे पास डिफिकल्ट होगा। नेक्स्ट पार्ट आ जाता है हमारे पास इंसुलेशन। दिस विल बी द इंसुलेशन। अब अगर 3 कोर केबल है तो यहाँ पे देखिए, अगर ध्यान से आप देखें तो 3 इंसुलेशन लगी हुई है। इज माई स्क्रीन इज विजिबल? आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? हर
Yes, sir.
कंडक्टर के बाहर से हम इंसुलेट कर देंगे, ठीक है। अदरवाइज क्या हो जाए कि कंडक्टर टू कंडक्टर भी शॉर्ट ना हो पाए और आपस में इंसुलेशन भी प्रोवाइड हो पाए। तो दैट मीन्स द कोर इज प्रोवाइडेड विद द सुटेबल थिकनेस ऑफ इंसुलेशन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द वोल्टेज। वो डिपेंड किस पे करेगा कि आपने कितनी वोल्टेज के लिए इस केबल को यूज करना है। आइदर वी यूज पेपर इंसुलेशन, आइदर वी यूज PVC, either we use oil for insulation or either we use gas for insulation. That is the next part of discussion. But direct above the core we use insulation. The commonly used material for insulation is impregnated paper, varnished carbide or rubber mineral compound. These are the some insulating material which we have studied in course that is electrical engineering material in detail manner. वहाँ पे आपने सारे इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल डिटेल में पढ़े होंगे। These are the function of two. Then move to third part. After that, this will be the first, second, third is this lead sheet, or we can say that metallic sheet. What is the function of this metallic sheet? This metallic sheet or lead sheet or aluminum is provided over a insulation to protect the cable from moisture, gases or other damaging liquid. That means जब इस केबल को आप अंडरग्राउंड में डालेंगे तो यहाँ पे अगर पेपर इंसुलेशन है, उस पेपर इंसुलेशन के लिए कहीं से भी कोई लिक्विड या कोई मिनरल मिल जाता है तो दैट विल बी देयर इज ए चांसेस ऑफ डायरेक्ट शॉर्ट सर्किट बिटवीन दीज टू कंडक्टर. But if we use one layer above this paper insulation or other type of insulation, so that no liquid will be go up to this insulation. So the main function of this, we can say that main function of this metallic sheet or lead sheet is a lead sheet. Why? Because it is made up of lead, so we use lead sheet, or common name is metallic sheet. The main function of this metallic sheet is to provide the insulation to protect the cable from moisture, gases and other damaging liquid, because we have to put this cable underground. So there are some damaging liquid inside the earth that will be damage our insulation. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
And fourth one is after that part, fourth one part is bedding. Bedding is provided to protect the metallic sheet from the corrosion. Its function is prevent this cable from corrosion, because again it is laid down on underground. तो हमारे पास जो अर्थ के नीचे कुछ केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी के कारण क्या हो सकता है, देयर विल बी क्रोजन। और कंडक्टर में क्रोजन के सबसे ज्यादा चांसेस है, तो ताकि क्रोजन ना अंदर तक पहुंच पाए कंडक्टर तक, अल्टीमेटली हमारा एम है कि इस कंडक्टर को सेफ और रिलायबल पोजीशन पे रखना है। ये सारी चीजें इसी कंडक्टर को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हमारे पास रखी गई है। दैट्स इट। एंड फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल डैमेज ड्यू टू रोमिंग, ठीक है, ड्यू टू रोमिंग। रोमिंग का मतलब क्या है, कहीं पे आप उसको बेंड करेंगे या कुछ करेंगे। इट इज ए फेब्रस मटेरियल लाइक जूट और हेजन टेप। ये कोई जूट और उसका बना होगा, अलग अलग मटेरियल हम यूज करेंगे। दैट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ बेडिंग। इज इट क्लियर? द फंक्शन ऑफ मेटालिक शीट एंड बेडिंग इज क्लियर. These are the general constructional feature. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Yes,
next
sir.
is roaming. What is a roaming? Its function is to protect the cable from mechanical injury. For example, this will be the roaming. अब इस केबल को आपने कहीं डाला हुआ है और उसी के ऊपर से गाड़ियां भी चल रही है, कुछ भी चल रहा है या कुछ हैवी चीज आ रही है, अगर हम ऊपर से उसको स्ट्रेस कर देंगे तो डायरेक्टली हमारे केबल क्या हो जाएगा, ये सारी चीजें तो जूट, कोई लेड की बनी हुई है, कोई पेपर शीट लगी हुई है, सारा तो प्रेस हो जाएगा। तो इसका काम क्या है, टू प्रोवाइड द मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ, सो दैट इसके ऊपर से कुछ भी आप जाए वो कंडक्टर तक इफेक्ट ना हो पाए, क्योंकि 3 लेयर इससे पहले लगी हुई है। तो मैकेनिकल इंजरी से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए जो हम जो लेयर यूज करते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, दैट इज रोमिंग. And during course of handling, it consists of 1 or 2 layer of galvanized steel, wire or steel tape. बेसिकली किसका बना होता है, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ ए स्टील वायर और स्टील टेप. एक लेयर होगी, 2 लेयर होगी, डिपेंड अपॉन द रेटिंग ऑफ केबल, डिपेंड अपॉन द रेटिंग ऑफ केबल. दैट मीन्स इट्स फंक्शन इज टू प्रोटेक्ट द केबल फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेस. जितने भी हमारे पास आउटसाइडर से मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेस आएंगे इसको प्रोवाइड करना. एंड द लास्ट एंड least part of our cable is serving इट्स इज टू प्रोटेक्ट द रोमिंग। इसका काम क्या है? इस रोमिंग को प्रोटेक्ट करना। अगर आप ध्यान से देखें, सर्विंग का फंक्शन क्या है? इसको प्रोटेक्ट करना, दैट मीन्स रोमिंग को प्रोटेक्ट करना। रोमिंग का फंक्शन क्या है? इसको प्रोटेक्ट करना बेडिंग का। बेडिंग का फंक्शन क्या है? लेड शीट को प्रोटेक्ट करना। लेड शीट का फंक्शन क्या है? इंसुलेशन को प्रोटेक्ट करना। इंसुलेशन का फंक्शन क्या है? कंडक्टर को प्रोटेक्ट करना। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? So these are the constructional feature of a cable, any type of cable, either it is single core cable, double core cable, three core cable, four core cable. Then these are the list of material or function of each part. This will be the conductor 1, 2, 3, and this will be the fourth conductor. That means it is a four core cable. तो यहाँ पे आपके पास अर्थ का अलग दिया हुआ है आपने, तो ये सारी चीजें एक्सप्लेन की हुई है, किसका क्या क्या फंक्शन है वो हम पहले ही है जो एक्सप्लेन कर चुके हैं. देन सॉरी, तो यार these are the function of each part, हम डिटेल में पहले ही कर चुके हैं. Then move to the property of insulating material. As I earlier discussed, then insulating we use here paper insulation, but it will be of another material. But जो हम insulation material use करेंगे, what should be the property of that insulating material? These are the property of insulating material which you use for the construction of cable, that is high resistivity, high dielectric strength, low thermal coefficient, low water absorption, low permeability, non-inflammable, chemical stability, high mechanical strength, high viscosity, capability to withstand with high rupturing voltage, and high tensile strength. That property should be available in that material which is used for our insulation of cable. Then otherwise there will be no insulation, there will be failure of, if there is failure of insulation, then these acid come to this point, these gases come to this point, this moisture come to this point, and end result our cable will be dead short circuit, or there will be a failure of a cable. Then the common material used for insulation are rubber. And what are the property of rubber? That means it has dielectric strength 30 kV per mm, and insulation resistivity is 10 e raised to power 17 ohm per centimeter. Relative permittivity between 2 to 3, and absorb and maximum safe temperature, because हमें टेम्परेचर का इफेक्ट बहुत देखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अंडरग्राउंड केबल में जैसे ही करंट फ्लो करेगा उसके कारण भी हीट प्रोड्यूस होगी, और अंडरग्राउंड में कई जगह हम ऐसी सिचुएशन में लगाएंगे जहाँ टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, तो ये हमें थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी केबल की देखना जरूर है, एंड दैट विल बी यूज टू अप टू 38 kV. तो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल जो हम यूज करते हैं दैट इज रबड़. अनदर विल बी वल्कनाइज इंडियन रबड़. ये रबड़ का एडवांटेज पर्पज है, ये इसकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टी हमारे पास रहेगी. देन इंटीग्रेटेड पेपर, these are the property. Then varnished cambric, these are the property of this. Then polyvinyl, commonly used, this is PVC. And maximum type which is used in cable insulation, that is cross-linked polyethylene. This is a polymer and it is commonly known as cross-link. It is dotted by cross, L stand for link, P and E, ethane. This material is generally used for the insulation of cable, because this material has a temperature range beyond 250 to 300 degree Celsius. The material has good insulating property. It has lightweight, small overall dimension, low dielectric constant, high mechanical strength and low water absorption property. That means जो हमारी ये प्रॉपर्टी हमने यहाँ पे कुछ लिखी थी, ये सारी प्रॉपर्टियां इसमें अवेलेबल है. ये सारी प्रॉपर्टियां इसमें अवेलेबल है. These cable permit conductor temperature about to 90 degree to 250 degree under the normal and short circuit condition. That means this type of insulation is withstand with this wide range of temperature, and these cable are suitable up to 33 kV, because our distribution in always in low voltage. The maximum time this type of cable are used, because up to 33 kV this type of insulating material have a good performance. And these are the constructional feature of our some XLP cable. XLP is nothing, that is cross-linked polyethylene cable, XLP cable. This will be a 400 kV XLP cable, and this will be a 110 kV XLP cable, and part remains same, which we have already discussed. The different parts of cable will remain same. Then how to classify the classification of a cable? That means these are classified broadly in 5 category. One is low tension, or tension or voltage is some one and same thing. Don't confuse between these 2 points. Low voltage बोलिए या low tension बोलिए. Low tension cable, that is up to 1000 voltage. Then high tension, or we can say that high voltage cable, up to 11 kV. Then super tension or super voltage up to, that is between from 22 kV to 33 kV. Extra high tension जिसको हम बोलते हैं EHT. These cable are from 33 kV to 66 kV. And extra super tension or extra super voltage cable is beyond 132 kV. These are the point that should be remembered during the discussion of cable. That means LT up to 1000 volt. HT up to 1100 kV. Sorry, 11 kV. Super tension from 22 to 33. Extra high tension from 33 to 66. And extra super tension is beyond 33. If we see, these are the general feature of low tension cable. This is the view of our low tension cable. And this will be the view of our high tension cable, and this will be the view of our super tension cable. This will be the view of our extra tension cable. This will be the extra super tension, and this will be the view of our extra high tension cable. Difference is only in the thickness of insulation. As the voltage is increases, the thickness of insulation is increases. Thickness of insulation is increases. Because when we discuss the cable, the main part of discussion is insulation. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then, if we see the constructional view of high tension cable, this will be a one type of high tension cable, and it is a 4 core cable. This will be the core 1, core 2, and core 3. RYB phase के लिए, and this will be the ground conductor. That means grounding के लिए भी, अगर इसका आप क्रॉस सेक्शनल व्यू देखें तो ये ग्राउंडिंग के लिए भी हमारे पास अवेलेबल है. ग्राउंडिंग के लिए भी अवेलेबल. And these are the insulation and each type of construction. This is a extra tension cable. This will be a low tension cable. हमारे पास बाहर क्या है, सारी पॉइंट उसी तरीके से लगी हुई है. This is low tension. Then 3 core cable, as I earlier told, that depend upon the application or utility. Either we use 3 core. If it 3 core, that means this is used for transmission purpose. In this cable, conductor are waved with oil impregnated paper, and the see this. This will be the constructional feature of 3 core belted cable. The one name is belted cable. Why the term belted is used? See this. That means this assembly is enclosed by a paper insulating belt. See here, where we use belt. If we see, this will be the one conducting material for one core. This will be for second core. This will be for third core. And then we provide a insulation between this to this point. That means thickness of insulated between conductor. Equal thickness here as well as here. Then after providing insulation, for example, this will be a conductor, this will be a conductor, this will be a conductor. Independent insulation is provided on each conductor, and one insulation is also provided across that all इंसुलेशन. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखिए RYB, अगर आप इस लाइन को देखिए, एक पूरी जो बाहर से इंसुलेशन प्रोवाइड है, दिस विल बी द बेल्ट, एंड इट इज कॉमनली नोन एज पेपर बेल्ट, सो द नेम इज पेपर बेल्टेड केबल. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? अदरवाइज क्या होना था, इन इंसुलेशन के बाद सीधी क्या आ जानी थी हमारे पास, वी हैव ए शीट, लेड शीट. यही आता है ना कंस्ट्रक्शन के हिसाब से. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखिए ध्यान से, this will be the constructional feature, insulation, then we have a lead sheet, but we provide a additional insulation to cumulate all these core. So this type of cable is known as belted cable, and the thickness, then there will be another insulation and lead sheet and other parts. सिर्फ lead sheet तक की बात बता रहे हैं, बाहर तक बाकी चीजें बात है. ठीक है, it is a insulation between this, and these can be used voltage up to 11 kV or some cases up to 22 kV. Then high voltage beyond 22 kV, the tangential stress become an important consideration as the insulation resistance of paper is quite low, because we use in belted cable paper for insulation is quite low. The layer therefore tangential stress setup, hence leakage current along the layer of the paper insulation. This leakage current cause the local heating resulting breaking of insulation any type. As I earlier told, the main handling point of cable or main technical point of cable or teching point of cable is to maintain the insulation of cable at equal level at all point. That is the main difficulty or technically aspects. This will be three core cable, or we can say that three core belted cable. Then three core cable is further divided into two type according to construction. These are H type and SL type cable. What are H type? If we say this will be H type cable, three core. Then after that we have a paper insulation. Then we have a conducting belt. As I earlier told, this will be a conducting belt. After that we have again insulation. This part is again insulation part. Then after that, we use lead sheet, then roaming, bedding, all these parameter or all these layer which we have already discussed. But one is conducting belt we use here, and that type of construction is known as H type. If we go to the SL type, what will happen here? In SL type, again three core conductor, and for covering this, we use cotton tape. We use cotton tape, but here we use conducting belt. We use conducting belt. That is the main difference, or we can say that main constructional difference between SL type, or we can say that H type construction of three core cable or three core cable. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? Then other point you can study. Then after three core cable, another type of three core cable is gas pressure type cable. Here we use some gases to develop the pressure. Some gases or oil to cooling down the cable. If we say that, अगर हम सबसे पहले देखें ऑयल फिल टाइप केबल और उसके बाद ऑयल फिल देन आफ्टर वी गो टू गैस प्रेशर. पहले आप ऑयल फिल की हम बात कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स थ्री कोर केबल गैस ओब्लिक ऑयल. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट द oil fill type cable. That means low viscosity, because if we study in insulating material, we have a three type of insulating material. One will be the solid insulating material, another will be the liquid, and another will be the gas. सॉलिड में जो हमारे पास इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल थे जो हम पहले पढ़ रहे हैं, रबड़, पेपर, ऑल दिस थिंग ऑल आर इन कैटेगरी ऑफ solid. In liquid, that is, we can say that transformer oil or insulating oil is one popular insulating material, and another will be the gas, that is SF6 gas is a popular insulating material which is used in power system. तो सॉलिड वाले हमने अभी स्टडी कर लिए. देन वी मूव टू द लिक्विड. लिक्विड में हमारे पास सबसे पहले ऑयल फील्ड केबल. Low viscosity oil is kept under the pressure and fill up the void in the oil impregnated paper under the continuous varying load. There are three main type of oil filled cable. One is self-contained circular type, self-contained flat type, and another will be the pipe type cable. If we see this slide, this will be the constructional feature of oil filled cable. See here, there will be a separate conduct, or we can say that separate pipe for the movement of oil. This oil provide two function. One is provide insulation and another is provide cooling, similar to that of a transformer. As the transformer oils serve two function. One is to provide insulation between LT and HT winding, and another is to provide insulation to provide cooling. Similarly, in cable, this oil will provide two function, and we have a separate pipes अंडर ए केबल. उसके बाद सारी लेड शीट वगैरह लगेगी कंडक्टर के साथ, जैसे इंसुलेशन उसके साथ ही हम इसको क्या डाल देंगे, वी पुट अप ए केबल फॉर ऑयल, एंड ऑयल uses that popular name is insulating oil. And what are the advantage of oil filled cable? That is greater operating dielectric strength, greater working temperature and current capacity, better integration. Integration is possible after sheet metal, no void formation, smaller in size due to the reduced dielectric thickness. हमें क्या करनी पड़ेगी, बाकी इंसुलेशन कम थिकनेस की लगानी पड़ेगी. डिफेक्ट कैन बी इजीली डिटेक्टेड बाय ऑयल लीकेज. अब कहाँ पे केबल ब्रेक हो गई है, सॉलिड अगर इंसुलेशन होगी उसको डिटेक्ट करना टफ है, बट अगर ऑयल फील्ड है तो डायरेक्टली आप देख सकते हैं कि वेयर विल बी द लीकेज, और सीधे उसी पॉइंट को आप देखिए, दैट मीन्स इंसुलेशन इज फेलियर एट दैट पॉइंट. And what will be the gas filled? Again, instead of oil we can use gas. Gas should be inert gas, and this will be the constructional feature of our gas type cable. But as we increases from this solid insulating material to liquid insulating material to gas insulating material, the cost of cable will be increased. But thermal stability will be decreased. That means gas type insulating gas type cable have more thermal stability as compared to solid type insulating cable. This will be the diagram of gas type cable. Then advantage. What will be the advantage of gas type cable? That means insulated cable have many advantages. One is efficient heat transfer, hence can more current. That means more current carrying capacity के लिए हम use कर सकते हैं. That means if the load is more on the cable or our distribution system, our first preference is use of gas type cable. Then low dielectric losses and low capacitance. SF6 gas is non-toxic, so chemically stable and non-inflammable, and this type of cable is used maximum time. Then after discussing constructional feature of cable, type of cable, then classification of cable, then classification according to the use of insulating material, that is solid cable, uh, oil filled cable and gas type cable. Then next is how to laying is nothing, how to put these cable for actual utilization. So there are the three popular method: direct line, draw in system and solid system. That means direct lines में हम क्या करेंगे, that means we put, see this figure, we put directly cable under the earth, अंडरग्राउंड आप डायरेक्टली इसको पुट कर देंगे, उसके ऊपर आ जाओ मिट्टी फिलअप कर देंगे. इस केबल के लिए यहाँ पे कोई भी प्रोटेक्शन हमने प्रोवाइड नहीं की है. दैट दिस मेथड इज नोन एज डायरेक्ट लाइन. बट डिसएडवांटेज इज दैट लोकलाइजेशन ऑफ फॉल्ट इज डिफिकल्ट, कॉस्ट थोड़ी सी कम है. देन ड्रॉ इन सिस्टम मीन्स you can draw a drain or you can see the drench of a solid material or RCC material. After that you put these all conductor inside that drain. Then this type of system is known as draw in system. Then these are the some advantage. Cost थोड़ी सी increase हो जाएगी as compared to previous, but the protection of cable is more. Then another will be the solid system. This will be the solid system. What we do, for example, this will be the outermost shell. We make a RCC full solid concrete type of structure on which cable are situated at a particular distance with particular difference. These are the 1 cable, 2 cable, 3 cable, 4 cable, and these all cable are again from RCC material. These cable are should be solid. इनको क्या कर देते हैं, केबल को डालेंगे ऊपर से सीमेंट रेता बजरी से, फिर और फिट कर देंगे ताकि अपनी पोजीशन से मूव ना कर पाए. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, जैसे ही आप इसको खींचेंगे अपनी पोजीशन से इधर उधर मूव कर सकता है. दैट मीन्स एक इंसुलेशन पे जो स्ट्रेस ज्यादा रहता है, भले ही इसको आपने इस साइड से और इस साइड से बंद किया हुआ है, बट अंदर है आपस में मिल जाएगी. बट यहाँ क्या है, यहाँ पे बाहर से कोई प्रोटेक्शन नहीं है, केबल की कोई प्रोटेक्शन नहीं है. तो दीज आर द 3 मेथड एंड कॉस्ट इज इंक्रीजेज from cost to this method. Direct laying has minimum cost and solid system has maximum cost, but the protection is maximum this point and minimum this point. These are the some method of laying down of cable. And another topic is grading, that will be discussed in later on classes, and it is very important topic for examination point of view. But आज के हिसाब से जो आपके syllabus में, that is constructional feature and type of cable. You should be able to understand what is single core cable, double core cable, what is the function of each layer in construction feature and classification. That is the main point of discussion. Is it clear?